Hello everybody, my name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller and we have a huge amount of sales to ship out today. It is Tuesday, Columbus Day was yesterday, so the post office was closed. So now I have quite a few packages to ship. Very grateful, but also just a tad bit overwhelmed with taking all these to the post office. Normally when I have a huge package day, I do the post office pickup so I don't have to haul it all there and have them be like, why is there so many packages? But anyway, let's get started. The first thing that sold is this SBNC, I think that's what the brand is, a receipt printer. This one actually was in the box. I found this on the curb with a bunch of other POS supplies and I'm just now getting them listed. So they are starting to sell. I sold 2 over the weekend and I think I listed maybe 5 things. So sell-through rate's been really good. If I didn't say it already, this sold for $50 plus $15 shipping, full price. And so the buyer's $65 all in. I sold this Calvin Klein gray polo shirt in a men's size medium for $3 plus shipping. A beautiful, beautiful sale. I got this actually for free and this has been listed probably 2.5 years. I was happy to get any offer. This patchwork Ollie and Holly sweatshirt in a women's size small, I believe, sold for $35 plus shipping. I did pay it $10 for this at Style Encore, but it flipped fast and I love selling things like this. This is just a universal thread midi dress. I thought I would get more for this, but I got $5 plus shipping on an offer. This has been listed a long time. I got this from like an Amazon returns bins store where they order pallets and they put everything in bins. So I paid $1 for it, whatever. It sold. It took a long time to sell. I find better things at thrift stores than these like returns stores. So I'm gonna stay out of those from now on, but I sold this Lucky Brand Sherpa vest for $20 plus shipping, so the buyer is $30 all in. That was my full asking price, and I did receive this for free. This Herringbone Wish List boutique vest sold for $10 plus shipping, so the buyer was around $20 all in on this. I did pay $3, not the best price, but I just like the style. I sold this Karl Lagerfeld top that I got in a ThredUp 200-pound bulk box for $12 plus shipping. So the buyer was around $18 to $20 all in, and I am probably less than $1 in on this. Happy with that. So I didn't even know this brand existed until I got it in my ThredUp 100-pound bulk box. You just never know what you're going to get in those boxes, which is why I love them. This is Aurora. And it is a heated jacket. It actually has a battery pack on the inside of it. So this sold for $55 plus I think $15 shipping. So I think I was $2 and some change into each item after I took everything to the buy sell trade stores. I sold these frame lace slouch jeans. I think they're in a size 26 or 27. I can't remember though, but they sold for $25 plus shipping. These have been listed since February. So they've been listed quite a long time. Happy to get them out. I'm profiting. I paid like $18 for these, so not profiting a bunch, just getting them out. These are vintage Liberty coveralls in a men's size extra large. I got a bunch of men's like hunting gear in a recent auction purchase that I did not haul. I'm sorry. I filmed a video, but it was just very bland and very repetitive. It was a lot of the same stuff and it wasn't anything super groundbreaking, so I deleted it. I didn't post it. But this sold for $26 plus shipping. It is stained and it's really not that heavy, so I was pretty happy with that. I found this Harley Davidson jacket at that garage sale that the guy was clearing out unpaid storage units, and this was a size 2XL tall Harley Davidson jacket. It sold for $45 plus $15 shipping, so I paid $5, beautiful profit. I sold another receipt printer for $50 plus $15 shipping. If all of these go this fast, I am going to be so happy because I don't have enough shelf space for all of them, so I'm just going to have to keep them there until they sell. So if they're selling this fast, like I just listed some, what is it, Friday or Saturday, and it's Tuesday and 2 of them have already sold. Hopefully they all go that fast. This is a Columbia like wool vest for hunting. I had no idea these were actually that valuable. So it's a vintage Columbia and it's like a wool blend. This sold for $90 plus shipping. And I got it in the lot of stuff that I got it in the huge auction lot of hunting gear that I bought. So this pays for more than 25% of what I got. And I got so much stuff in that haul. So I am extremely surprised. I think I bought like an entire tote of men's like 2X and 3X clothes for 20 bucks at that auction. And this was one of the items in it. So all the other items from that lot are just gravy. I sold these Under Armour Heat Gear pants in a size 4XL for $12 plus shipping. I thought they would sell for more, but they really didn't get all that much interest. And I was just happy to move them this weekend because I was just like accepting all the offers. I wanted all the sales, and I sold over $1,000 last week. I sold, what was it? $13.50, I believe. But that's with shipping included. So shipping taken out of that, probably around $1,100, but grateful, thankful, blessed. I'm so happy. This is a Patricia Nash bag that I got from that big auction lot of bags. Another one sold, yay, for $50 plus $15 shipping, and this will be a super easy ship. Toy parts do sell. So these are the Rub-a-Dub-Dub Men in a Tub Fisher-Price replacement parts, I guess. I don't know who's looking to buy this toy, but someone is. Someone bought mine for full price at $10 plus I think $7.99 shipping, but happy to provide that for somebody. I don't know who wants these, but I mean, they're cute. They'd be little cute like display things on like a floating shelf in a kid's room, I guess, but who knows? This is a brand new Maxton's 1000, and the only thing, my husband has one of these, and it's like patches that you put on yourself and it gives you like electroshocks in your muscles. I put it on and I did not like it, but this was brand new. I did receive it for free, and it sold for I think $25 plus shipping, so someone else wanted to torture themselves. I was also super surprised with these just like jerseys sweatpants for men. They're just Jerseys brand, but they sold for $30 plus shipping. They were new with tags, and someone just apparently wanted these for lounging around during hunting season. But anyway, they're just regular sweatpants. I don't know, 30 bucks. I am here for it. I actually received these really like flamboyant pink UGG slides for free, and they sold for full price on eBay for $50 plus shipping. So the buyer's around $60 all in. I was honestly just happy to get an offer on this Joie sweater. Joie just does not sell for me. It sold for $7 plus shipping. I am actually obsessed with this plaid skirt. It's from Eddie Bauer. I believe it's vintage, and I think it's a size 10 tall. This thing would be so beautiful for family pictures. Someone snagged it up for 30 bucks on my eBay store plus shipping, and I did receive it for free. Again, I had no idea what these wool hunting vests would go for, but this is a Browning wool blend hunting vest in a size 2XL, I believe, and it sold for $50 plus $15 shipping. I am loving all this hunting gear. Okay, at this point, we all know that we can resell things even if we can't pronounce them, so these are Les Chamoux rain boots. These are actually really expensive boots. These sold for $85 plus shipping. They are a women's size 9. They are pre-owned, and they went for that much plus $15 shipping on eBay. This Halloween ghost garden flag, I believe it is, sold for $7.29 plus $5.99 shipping. I'm just happy to get these items out of my store. I just recently cleared out all of my plush, and I am breaking up with all of my plush that are like listed for $20 and under because I'm just done. They've been sitting for like 2 to 3 years, and I sent them to my local auction company, so hopefully somebody can bid on them and love them, give them to their kids, whatever they want to do, but happy to get these stinkers out of my store. I always find these random brands at Once Upon a Child. So this I knew was substantial. It's like a fleece. What is this? A sleep sack. Baby DD was the brand. I looked them up. They were selling for like $20 plus shipping, basically. I took a $17 offer on mine because it does have a little bit of washwear, but I think I only paid $3.50 for this, so happy with the flip. I love these old school flags with like the really thick stitching and thick nylon. This is a Thanksgiving turkey garden flag, and it sold for $7 plus shipping. Again, another one of these stinker items getting out of my store. This little tiny Tory Burch perfume. Yes, it is that small. No, my head is not that big. No, I'm just kidding. This is Tory Burch, like a sample size perfume. It sold for $21 plus shipping. This came out of my storage unit. It is new. And yeah, storage unit stuff. Moving. I'm very happy with it. This is a really cute vintage Christmas baby dress. The brand is Youngland, and it's an 18 to 24 month size. This was my own daughter's. I bought it for her at Once Upon a Child for $5.50, and after she used it, I listed it. It took a long time to sell, but someone is gonna love this for their little baby for pictures or something. It is adorable. Now onto the Poshmark sale. So this vintage Champion gray just pullover sweatshirt in a men's small sold for $16. I can't remember where I got this. It was probably from my death pile. I got this Nike long sleeve half zip running dealie off the side of the road. This is that big pile of stuff that I thought like a boyfriend was throwing his girlfriend out, and there was like a bunch of clothes and like a whole bedroom thing. But people were digging through it. No one was stopping us. So I dug a bunch of Nike stuff out of there. And, you know, I found a few obscene things as well. But this sold for, I think, $14 on Poshmark. I sold these Torrid, really cool platform, oh, they're so heavy, with chain boots for $40 on Poshmark. These are a size 13 double wide, so I knew I was going to price these high. So I did price them at $68 to take that $40 offer, but I never find huge shoes like this. I'm a size 11. I barely find shoes for myself, so people with a size 13 women's foot definitely have an issue finding shoes, and I am there to provide them with cute ones. I've had this Barefoot Dreams hoodie or cardigan forever, and I don't know why, but it finally sold for $14 on Poshmark. I just went ahead and took an offer, and happy to let it leave. This is my old packaging of just reused boutique envelopes, and my boutique has been closed for, what, 2 years now? Crazy. I sold this adorable Free People denim jacket with that, like, Sherpa lining with the cheetah. It is so cute. Anyway, this sold for $71, and I think it's a size small, but this has been listed a while. I am happy with the outcome, though. I think I paid $12 or $13 for this from Style Encore. These DL 1961 jeans sold for $13. I have some of these stragglers of these higher end brands that I got at a Style Encore 90% off sale. They've been slowly but surely selling, not for as much as I thought they would, which is a bummer, but I think I only paid $2 for these, so whatever. To be honest, this is so old that I've had it packed up to go to Plato's Closet to see if they would take it, but this is a Chicago Blackhawks hat, and it sold on Poshmark for $4, so I made $1.05. I might have made more if I took it to Plato's and they would have taken it, but I am fine with just getting rid of it. I received this Timberland jacket for free, and I think it's in, what is it, a size extra large, 2X, I can't remember, but it sold on Poshmark for $25. I had a pair of Duck's Back pants. These are a hunting brand. Again, it's from that hunting haul. Sold for $20 on Poshmark. I am so glad this adorable Halloween costume is getting a new life. We got this for personal use from Once Upon a Child for $5.50 and wore it, and I sold it on Poshmark for $15, and the brand is Princess Paradise. They make really nice Halloween costumes. This one is made really well. It's a little peacock, and we got so many compliments when we went trick-or-treating in this, so happy another little girl gets to use this. Do me a favor, everybody, go through your death pile, pull out your coats and all of your fall and winter things and list them. They are selling. So this is a youth size medium North Face coat, and it sold for $40 on Poshmark. This is a super adorable, like, utility jumpsuit from Backbeat Co. It is like one of those small shop brands that does like organic cotton and things like that. And I'm going to try to stop swaying. I am so sorry. I have the mom sway. I sway everywhere I go, everywhere I stand, I sway. So this is a size medium, I believe, and it sold for $80 on Poshmark. I kept getting low balls. I kept sticking to my price. Someone came in, I think I had this listed for $110 or $125. Someone came in at $80. I paid $32, so I was happy to get that profit. These are a pair of True Religion Audrey Slim Boyfriend jeans. I got these over the summer at a garage sale. I think she had her Big Star jeans priced at like $5, and she had these priced at like $2, I think. But they sold for $20. True Religion retails for a ton, but it does not resell very well. So I was happy to get 20 for these. I got this really cool Trina Turk like furry jacket in a thread up 200-pound bulk box. It is missing a button, and it appears to be new without tags. I don't know though. It's probably just new without tags. But anyway, it sold on Poshmark for $30. Someone wants to fix the button, and I am happy to sell it to them. And the last item to sell is this Torrid Chunky. These are chunky. Size 13, double wide. Again, I found these on the same day as those other ones, and they sold also for $40, and I paid $7.50 for these.